Vive le français! Bonjour chers amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. Aujourd'hui, je vous parle du champagne. Today, I'm telling you about champagne, about wine, about champagne. So here we have famous champagne. What is Chandon? Let me open it. It is up. Okay. Here, what is Chandon? And here we have something else. Here we have something else. Here we have this and this. Do you know the difference between the two? Do you know the difference between this one and this one? There is no difference between the two. The only thing is this one is called champagne. Why? It's called champagne because it has been produced in the place of France, in the area of France that's called La Champagne. This one has been produced in another part of France. So it's not called Champagne, it's called Vouvray. It's called Vouvray. But in fact, and they write underneath, méthode champenoise. Can you see, can you read? Méthode champenoise. So méthode champenoise, it means the process that they use and probably the grapes that there is inside, they are exactly the same. So you have the trois cépages, you have the three type of grapes that we have in Champagne. So we have, I think these three grapes is Pinot Noir, Pinot Meunier, and Chardonnay. So you also have the three same grape, and they will probably put the same percentage of each one. And the process is the same, so they will create the natural gas and they will do it the same. But the only thing is they are not allowed to be called champagne because they are not produced in the Champagne district. So of course, if you have to pay for champagne, it will be much more expensive because you pay for the brand. If you pay for this one, it will be way cheaper because you don't pay for the brand. If you look at the taste will be a little bit the same. Okay. Now, of course, you have the Grand Champagne. Some of them maybe will be, but you pay for the brand. You pay for the brand. Like this champagne is going to be more expensive than another champagne because this brand is a famous brand, you know. And this one it will be cheaper because it comes from Montrichard. Okay. Personally, the taste, the champagne for me is not that. I don't know much about it, but many people I know they don't like champagne so much because it's very dry, sec, c'est très sec. So you have the champagne is very dry, sec. You have also demi-sec, half dry, and you have also sweet. So some champagne are sweet, but most champagne are very dry. So it's a question of taste. Some people are going to like it, some people are not going to like it. Personally, I think champagne is not my favorite wine, and I wouldn't pay. I think the price that you pay is a lot about the brand. But I understand some people love this wine. Okay, merci. Au revoir.